Welcome to Arina East Residences, where the future of Tanjong Ru begins. A rare freehold development set within one of Singapore's most desirable city fringe enclaves. As part of the new wave of homes in Tanjong Ru, Arina East Residences stands at the heart of transformation, poised to benefit from the area's exciting rejuvenation plans, including enhanced green spaces, improved waterfront access, and seamless connections to the Marina Bay precinct. Imagine taking morning walks to East Coast Park or cycling along the scenic Kallang Basin promenade. All of this just a stone throw away. Just minutes away, experience world-class recreation at the Singapore Sports Hub, weekend breezes at Marina Barrage, and the dynamic energy of Marina Bay. Connectivity is effortless, with major expressways and a short walk to Katong Park MRT station, bringing you to the CBD and Orchard Road in under 10 minutes. Families will appreciate proximity to top-tier schools like Townan Primary, Dunman High, and Victoria School, while food lovers and culture seekers will find home in the heritage enclaves of Katong and Joo Chiat. Inside, Arina East Residences is crafted for exclusive luxury living. You will experience a development which is low density, thoughtfully designed with elegant layouts, with premium finishes and quiet sophistication. Arina East Residences is a rare freehold opportunity in a location where demand never fades. Contact your preferred OrangeTee consultants now.